Yeah, good morning, good afternoon, good evening to every one of you, my people. Yes, we want to address land grabbing. Land grabbing, as you all know, that the land grabbing in Edo State, NAIJA Watch have played a very, very big role in stopping land grabbing in Edo State. Yes, I can boastfully say that 90% of land grabbing in Edo State have been totally eradicated or removed or stopped. Yes, I did. I put my life out there to fight against land grabbing at those times. Many of you can testify to that. Yes, during the time of the land grabbing, because we were fighting left, right, we now decided to raise some money, so that we can do some protest. I also go to our King's Palace, Oba of Benin's Palace. So I remember we raised some money that time, which I cannot really put a figure right now, but I'll put that one in the land grabbing group. It might not be tonight anymore because I'm live right now, but we already put that together. Then latest tomorrow, that will be on the land grabbing group. What we are trying to say here, we raise money to do a protest. Then Mr. Peter Obi's aspiration came on to become a president. So a lot of us were distracted, but even before the distraction, our efforts, our fights, yield results. The governor of Edo State, Governor Obaseki, because of the pressure we put in land grabbing, introduced PPPL, which end up doing a marvelous job when it comes to land grabbing. I criticize the governor all the time here, you all are aware, but when it comes to this, the governor, he tried. Yes, he tried. Yes, we put him under pressure. I remember the secretary of Edo State, we brought him here. He spoke to us concerning this land grabbing because some criminals, their names were being called here so many times. Ebo Amagba came here to speak for himself. Many other people came here to talk about this land grabbing. We also went, even Barrister Mike Ozehome, the first time he ever came to this platform was related land grabbing and all that as well. He came here to put all in the right form. Yes, to cut everything short, I communicated with the governor of Edo State, privately. We communicated, we talked concerning the list of the people that are supposed to be arrested. Although, in that, I'm still not pleased. Because the governor of Edo State actually assured me of the people that will be arrested, people that were found guilty of land grabbing. But today, nobody were being arrested. But that's fine. We have to move on. The reason why I have to say this, because this video is going to be cut out and re-uploaded, is that we raised some money about between 900 to 1.2 million naira or more. But we'll put the figure together later on. The only thing we spent from that land grabbing, since it has been pending, because the last time we communicated concerning this land grabbing was about 3 months ago. A couple of people said we should still be patient. We can do 1 or 2 things. To be honest, my brothers and sisters, there's nothing to be patient about because there's nothing to do about land grabbing anymore. The reason why we raise the money is because of land grabbing. So keeping the money continuously, and at the end of the day, we might end up using it for something else. If something else comes up, we can raise another money. But this one, we are going to refund it back to every individualism that have contributed towards that land grabbing at that particular time. The list of the names are there, but it's good I announce this on air. If you know you are part of the people that contributed during that time, please, you have to send in your account so that we can start refunding after. Because I remember we did a t-shirt. We're going to forwarding that in the WhatsApp group of land grabbing. We did only t-shirt we spend money on at that particular time. So that's it. Every other money is 100% intact. So we are going to be refunding this between now till Friday. Every money is supposed to be refunded. If possible, all of them supposed to be refunded tomorrow if all accounts are seen. Those of you that have contributed, like I said before, please forward your account to either NAIJA Watch WhatsApp. We'll check your name. If your name is part of the people that contributed during that time, some people contributed 10,000, 50,000, some contributed 30,000, some. So anyhow, if you know you've contributed, the amount you contributed, we will know. We need to refund it back. I want to say thank you very much, my people. I appreciate you all. I know some of you are not very happy because I've never paid attention to what is currently going on in Edo State since I started supporting Mr. Peter Obi. I understand, but I can't do two things at the same time. Please understand with me. I can't be talking about the presidential election, talking about what is happening in Edo State. And the beautiful thing about the land grabbing is that as we speak right now, 90% of land grabbing cases is over. 90, if not more. If nobody give me credit, I'll give myself credit. All of una, many of una know how I take fight this fight. So thank you very much, my people. I appreciate every one of you that responded. The time why I take call on at that time, say, okay, it was even some of you that suggested it. Make we raise money, more take go do protest, more go sleep for our Alba Palace gates. Say we not go anywhere. Some of you suggested we should be there for 3 days. More they eat, they dance, they do everything there. That our king will certainly call us in and listen to us. But today, a lot of homeowners, landowners in Edo State are smiling for my efforts. I can say it's a collective effort, but I put an effort in there. My life was at risk. So many things were happening and all that. You know, I didn't listen to my parents. I didn't listen to anybody. Just like what I'm doing for Mr. Peter Obi today. If I carry your matter for head now until I see results, I know they give them up. That's my kind of person. So thank you very much, my people. That is all I wanted to say on this particular issue. May God bless every one of you. So please, if you're hearing my voice, you're part of those that contributed last year on land grabbing. We need to refund the money. I communicated this 3 months ago. Some people said, no, make we wait for more. No, I can't wait anymore. The money needs to be refunded at this particular time. For some of you that don't even communicate with us anymore for one reason, best know to you, you left the platform, you left everything. Don't worry, still communicate because of this money so that your money will be refunded back. You know, if you not communicate, you can't be as it gets. And between that and Friday, anybody that is not communicate so that your money will be refunded, please just know that we are not going to say this on air or anywhere again after Friday. Thank you. May God bless you all. But like I said, the second communication will now be on land grabbing platform, the group. Thank you very much, my people.